you all are doing well. So you all must be thinking, who's this person? So she's Anuja, and she owns a beautiful website called August Accents. So Anuja, welcome to Kirtiskitchenkatta.
Thanks a lot, Kirti. Thanks for inviting me. I'm so thrilled to be here. I am a good friend of Kirti's for a long time, and she gave me opportunity to come on Kirtiskitchenkatta.
Because it's Diwali, so what are you going to show us today, Anuja?
So as I said, we have a shop called augustaccents.com, and me and my partner started this. I'm a designer and my partner is an architect. If you go on our website, you would see that we have a lot of categories. We create all our art by hand.
Oh, they're artisan.
Wow. We are artisan, and all our products are 100% designed by us, and about 80% of our products are also made by us.
Let's get started with the table decoration.
So these, as I said, we have table mats, table covers, table linens. So these are table napkins.
You make this?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Designed it.
So beautiful.
So
is it silk?
It's silk.
Oh.
It's silk with a zari. And
so
all
guys, it's Diwali, so use lot of silks. It looks good.
Yes.
So you also have other materials.
Correct. Okay. We have cotton, silk. Everything is washable, reusable.
Can I check?
Sure. This is a table lamp. So actually for Diwali I pull this out because it's shimmery, but we also have like block print and cotton which you can easily use. This is more of a fancy item.
So guys, not only Diwali, holidays are coming.
Yes.
So holiday season is up and we all can use all these things. So
Correct.
Anuja, I'm more excited about how you're going to decorate it on the table now.
So yeah, I just created a simple place.
I'm sorry, this is me.
That's fine. I just try to create a simple place setting usually for any occasion. Put a couple of nice pieces and keep it simple is my theory. I don't like to over decorate it. Okay. So this is a diya that I had in the house, a couple of accents and a nice runner.
So did you paint this too?
Yes, I painted that. That's hand painted.
Can I show it to our audience?
Yeah, sure.
So guys,
that's watercolors.
Do you see? It's so beautiful, and she painted it herself. So you can buy it and gift it to your loved ones. It's a perfect Diwali gift.
Correct. And when you go to our website, some of the people, original art is always a little bit pricey. So that's a common hiccup for people to buy original art. So what we could also do is we can make reproductions. The ones on canvas that are reproduced, you can hardly tell that they are reproduced, and we are not going to sell like 1,000 copies, just a handful, maybe 10, but that would be a budget friendly and you would still have a unique painting with you. That's awesome. Let's get started with a Diwali special recipe.
So Anuja, what are you going to make today?
So today I thought for Diwali I was going to make a fusion dish. It is called Shrikhand tiramisu. So I thought that the kids are not really interested in traditional Indian food and we can make it a little bit exciting for them and different. And also due to the pandemic, there are smaller groups of parties. So this would be a perfect recipe for smaller groups. There are no special ingredients per se. So,
okay. Cool. So guys, if you have like a party, which we would not suggest during the pandemic, but still if you like have a couple of friends coming over, you can all make this. So Anuja, can you just tell us the ingredients please?
Sure. So I have taken some Greek yogurt and I put it in a colander with some paper towels and left it for about 3-4 hours.
Awesome. Okay.
So that this is hunkered. Then I have confectionate sugar.
So that is nothing but pithi sakar.
Yes.
Agdi barik asते ती आपली पिठी साखर.
Yes.
Awesome.
Correct. आणि almond slivers, pistachio slivers. These are good day cookies.
Okay. So and you will get, we all can get it in Indian
and you
store?
Can get any kind of cookies. It doesn't have to be good day per se. Any almond, pistachio, any cookies that would go well with Shrikhand.
Okay. But they have to be like sweet.
They have to be sweet.
And not like crackers.
Not crackers.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sweet cookies. And this I put some kesher saffron in milk.
Okay.
To
Just give like nice color.
Give a nice color. And we are going to use it. You'll see how we use it.
Okay, so this is just the dry saffron.
Dry saffron strands.
Awesome. Okay.
So now let's start with the recipe. So this is 3 cups of hung curd, and to it I'm going to put 1 cup of this confectionate sugar.
Okay. So the ratio is 3:1.
Yes,
awesome.
And you can differ it depending on your family's sweet
taste buds.
Taste buds. My family, they don't like a lot of sweet, so I tend to make it a little less sweeter.
So Anuja, I have a question. Can we make it and keep it like maybe for like overnight? Because I have a party on Saturday, so is it okay if I make it on Friday night?
Yeah, you can certainly make the Shrikhand part ahead of time, and then later on you just assemble it 2 hours before the party, because this also has a refrigeration time.
Okay.
So you make it, keep it in the refrigerator for an hour, but that process, just assembling it and putting it together like you do for trifles typically, you do it on the day.
Okay, so it may get soggy, the biscuits may get
soggy.
Oh.
So earlier when I showed you the ingredients, I actually forgot to bring the cardamom. So I just took cardamom and crushed it.
Okay, I like this thing.
The mortar and
pestle.
Yeah. So now that we have mixed the sugar and the Shrikhand, we are going to take a little bit of cardamom.
Okay.
All Indians need their essences and spices.
Oh, yeah.
And a little bit of saffron sprigs.
Okay.
So this is the basic Shrikhand base for any Shrikhand recipe. So now we are going to start with the assembly of this, and what I did was the Shrikhand that we had made earlier, I put the white Shrikhand in a Ziploc bag so that we could pipe it properly. And then later on, with the remaining half of it is in the white Shrikhand is in the bag, and the remaining half I put the Kesar milk in it. So that this is Kesar Shrikhand. Like this also has a little bit of Kesar. That's rich. So now how we assemble it, so the process is you take a cookie, dip it in the Kesar milk, and put a cookie down here. Take a piping bag, and then we'll take this Shrikhand and cut the bag. So the cookie, we already put the cookie that was dipped in Shrikhand, and then put a layer of this white Shrikhand as the bottom layer. So the first layer of Shrikhand is in here. Then I tap it a little bit, and then I take a little bit of almond slivers and pistachio slivers on it. Then for the second layer, again put another cookie in the milk, the saffron milk, and put it on top of it. And the second layer of Shrikhand goes in.
Wow, this looks so good, Anuja.
It tastes even better, Kirti.
I'm sure.
So now I'm again gonna put a layer of almonds and pistachios on the side. And now for the last layer, we are gonna put a cookie and the top layer, and then push the cookie a little bit. And then take this Kesar Shrikhand, the showstopper.
Whoa. So the color is changed now.
The color is changed, yes.
Wow.
And then you carefully, this is the last layer, so you carefully pour it in.
Wow.
And then tap it a little bit. Then again decorate it with a little bit of almond, lots of pistachios, and a few Kesar sprigs. And this is how the layers look.
Wow, Anuja, this looks so good.
I know, it's a rich, nice, creamy dessert.
Wow.
Hope everyone enjoys it.
I am sure they all will enjoy it, Anuja. So thank you so much for coming on Kirtiskitchenkatta. Guys, I am going to put her website, that is augustaccents.com, in the description box below. Do visit, and happy shopping, happy cooking. Bye bye. shopaholic. So now my eyes are on her cushion covers. So can we go and check them now?
Please go to August Saxon's website for shopping and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Kirti's Kitchen Katta. Thank you.